can slide now. So if I hit the L button, boom, I slide. And while I'm sliding, I can't do anything until I hit the wall. But then afterwards, obviously I can do everything before there's a bug. Let's do it again. Take that. Haha. Right, so that's how that works. And so let me show you exactly how this works. It's just debug now, but the idea is that eventually it'll be like an ice level that I can do like slide. So whichever way you're going, when you touch the stuff, you keep going that way until you hit something that stops you. Let's show. Okay, so the way that works is that I have all these state machines. So this thing called player state free, and I made a new key debug button. Show what that looks like. If I go into my player, and I go into my step, I have these keys, and I have this debug key. Basically says like, hey, check if the L key is pressed, and that'll set that to true. So basically when I push the L key, that'll make this variable key debug true, otherwise it's false. Cool beans. And so then I go into state free. Down here I check, hey, is this true? Which means I'm pressing the button, and if it is, change the state into player state slide. And then I made this little debug message so I could see if it's actually working. So then the slide, how that works is that it actually checks which direction I'm going. I have this macro that's basically takes your like direction in the game, which is basically 360 degrees, divides it by 90 and rounds to the closest number. So you get, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0, 1, 2, 3 for left, right, up, left, and down. And so then I check basically which direction I'm facing, and then I'll set the image speed to 0, which means I won't move anymore. I'll set the H speed or V speed, basically horizontal or vertical speed. Right now it's all the exact same because I'm just testing, but ideally you slide to the right, slide to the left, slide up, slide down, depending on the direction you're facing. And then I check to see if I hit something. So actually what I'm doing is I'm making this variable called hit something, and then that's actually my player collision script. And that basically is how I move things. So I move things and I check to see if it hits a collidable object. And so I save that as a variable. So now I check, hey, and it returns if it actually hit something, which is cool. And so I check to see if it's hit something, and if it does hit something, I set it back to state free, which means that it goes back to normal, moving around like normal. So when it's in this state, it can actually move around because it's in the state, and this is where the moving would be controlled. And in state free, you're allowed to kind of move freely. But yeah, and then I have this for each direction, which I went over. So these are the different cases, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fun times. So let's see that one more time. Down ever so slightly, and here we go. Boop. That's what that is. So it's pretty easy, especially because there's a lot of stuff's kind of again, it's only one direction. Ideally, like I should be able to slide from different directions. But oh snap! That guy. Okay, that's not ideal. I've noticed a bug. Okay, that's not tomorrow's problem. Future me can deal with that. Not right now. Okay, see you around. Bye.